In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Shopify workflows with Zapier on desktop. If you've ever wished repetitive tasks could just run themselves, this walkthrough is for you. We'll connect Shopify to another app and set up an automation that runs in the background, reliably and without manual work. Start by heading to Zapier.com and logging into your Zapier account. On the current desktop interface, click Create, then select Zap. A zap is simply an automated workflow with a trigger and an action. First, we'll define the trigger. In the Trigger app search bar, type Shopify and select it. Next, choose the trigger event that fits your use case. For example, new order fires whenever a new order is created, new paid order triggers only after payment is captured, and new customer runs when a brand new customer is added to your store. Pick the one that best matches what you want to automate and click Continue. You'll now connect your Shopify store. Click Sign in to Shopify, enter your store URL, and follow the prompts to approve the connection. Once connected, click Continue. To make sure Zapier can see real data to work with, click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent order or customer so you can preview what information is available. This sample is essential for mapping fields later. With the trigger ready, click Add Action. Now choose the app you want to connect to Shopify. Popular choices include Google Sheets for logging orders, Slack for team alerts, Gmail for sending notifications, or a CRM to create new contacts. Select the app, then choose the specific action event, like creating a spreadsheet row, posting a channel message, sending an email, or adding a contact. Click Continue and connect your account for that app if you haven't already, approving any permissions requested. You'll now see fields you can map. This is where you decide which Shopify data should flow into the action. For example, map the order number, total price, and customer email to the matching fields in your destination app. Use the sample data you pulled earlier to confirm you're selecting the correct fields. When everything looks right, click Test Step. Zapier will run the action using your sample, so you can verify that the data lands exactly where you expect. If the test result looks good, click Publish to turn your Zap on. From now on, every qualifying event in Shopify will automatically trigger your action, hands-free. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.